Hey, welcome. Today's video, Tony Wallace here with Keller Williams Metropolitan Productivity Coaching. Today's video is on the business template sheet that we're using with productivity coaching and my coaching clients. So we're going to walk through it. This is for last year's transaction, but it works the same on the current year. So in this box here would be the origin of the lead. Very important to know where your source is. If there's something that does not come up here that you get a source that we just don't have there, let us know. We'll add it in. In this instance, we're going to go with sphere of influence. You need to have it either as a buyer, a list, or a rental or referral. Client's name, address 123 Main, closing date 1/30/23, sale price 800,000. You're not going to put the commission in here. The percentage is going to calculate for you. Anything with green is calculated. You do not want to mess with those cells. So if there was a concession on the property and your commission was based off of the net versus the gross, you'd put that in here. If there was no commission or the commission was paid off of the gross as it is in this example, then we would not put any concession in because it does not relative to our getting paid. So here we're going to go 3%, $24,000 transaction fee. If you're in productivity coaching, you had a fee of $500. If you're on a team, you could put the team split in here. For this instance, if you're not on a team, you can just do this and hide the column. Do not delete it. Just hide it. Let's say there was a $2,500 referral fee and you paid a transaction coordinator to work it. All those numbers calculate over. If you donated $10 to KW Cares, rate, and let's say you got paid on 2/6. This one doesn't have any bearing on the formulas. You just might want to know when you got the check. It also kind of reminds you to say, yeah, I did get paid. So now that's one transaction. Let's go back and let's add a open house buy side. We're going to go with Dave this time. And we're going to go with, excuse me, 12 Main. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. So 12 Main. And we closed on 2/4, $500,000. Again, we're going to put in the gross commission that we get paid. So we got the top of the sheet that we get from Jenny and Carmen. And in this case, it's going to say 10,000. So, whoa, nothing popped up. So this is what you need to do. Anytime you add a new transaction, you just highlight those two cells and drag it down. Again, highlight these two, drag it down. The reason we don't want to drag down these is if you see right now, there's an average commission sales price of $650. If we take this and we drag it down, it's going to create a bunch of zeros because there's no data here, and look what it does to the average commission price. So we don't want to do that until we have a transaction in there. So we just delete that out and we pull and drag as needed. Again, $44 transaction fee, no coaching fee here, no referral fee. Transaction coordinator. Now, again, same thing over here. Just going to slide over. Going to take these four right here, pull down one, and they're going to calculate your royalty and your cap and come out with the net agent dollar. You put $50 towards KW Cares, and we got the check on 3/1. Not a long time, so we'll go back and make that at 2/10. Here we go. So now we get two transactions, buy and sell. You notice they calculate up here, buy and sell. We're now going to add from uptime. Going to add a rental in, and the rental's name was Arthur. ARTHUR. And it's 25 Down Street, 3/4/23. No sales price on rentals or referrals because that's not, we didn't sell it, so we don't want to put that in there. We don't want to put in the commission percentage because it's different than a sale or a buy. No concessions. GCI for this one on a rental for uptime. It's nice enough. We get $1,000 out of it. There's no transaction fee for something. Usually there's a transaction fee, so we'll put that in there. No coaching fee. No referral. No transaction coordinator. And again, we just slide this over. We go highlight these bars right here, and we pull down, and there it calculates out for us. Again, the green, you don't want to touch the formula. You can just highlight, click, and pull down. $10 to KW Cares, and gives us a date of, let's see, when do we get that rental? Rental is 3/4, so we're going to say get paid on 3/10. Again, these don't have anything effect on the formulas. That's just to know that you got paid. So we're going to do one more for the example, and this one would be a referral, and it's going to come from an agent, and we gave them an outbound referral, so we're getting paid. So it comes down here to a referral. It's James is the agent. It was in 25 Up Street in Austin, and it was on 4/5. Again, no sales price because it's a referral. Come over here and a really nice referral of $4,500. Transaction fee, no coaching, no referral, and no transaction coordinator. Now again, we slide these over a little bit, and we go here, pull it down. There you go. I pulled this one down already. So to get closed month 1, 2, 3, and 4, this one was 4/15. We got paid. So now we got one of each. We've got a list, a buy, a rental, and a referral. Now, if you go over here, there's one in each month. So if we go over here to expense, we have in January $24,000 listing commission, $10,000 buy commission, a $4,500 referral in April, a $1,000 rental in March, and here's all the cost of sales associated with those transactions. It all pulls from the other sheet. Now your expenses themselves, not quite as automated. So what you need to do is block time at the, say, the 3rd or 4th of the beginning of each month. So for January, it'd be at the 3rd or 4th, maybe the 5th of February. Pull your credit card statement for your business credit card that you use only for your business. You go in and you enter all of your expenses in here. And this is on a whole other video. We can go deeper into that. And what it does is it'll give you a net for the month. So if your business expenses were, we're just going to throw a number in here for, let's go back up here for prospecting marketing of $2,000 we spent in the month. We spent $1,500 here. I spent $1,000 here. And we spent $500 here. You can go down and take a look, and what it does is it tells us we had, lost money that month. Made 13 grand here, 5,600, 3 grand there, and 27. So in March, why did we lose money? Well, it paid out $1,000 in business expenses, but we only had $1,000 rental. So we lost money. Good thing to know. Also, now in the lead sources, it tells us from that first page, it says I got one from SOI, one from Open House, one from Uptime, one from agent referral. Over the course of your year, you'll be able to take these, see where your business is coming from, go back, look at your expenses, understand where you're spending your money in terms of your lead generation and advertising, and seeing what your ROI is on those investments. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. Tony Wallace, 603-244-0820, or tony.wallace@kw.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.